Okay, so I'm pretty excited. I got yet another box in the mail, but this time it's my new To Be Mindset program. So let's see what is all in there. I've already started looking into it, and honestly, this is the last step anyone is ever gonna need to lose weight for once and for all, because we all know it's all up here. It's not our bodies telling us to eat the Cheetos, it's up here telling us to eat the Cheetos. Okay, so I open the box. First I have this little intro thing. That's the first thing I see. All right. I've got my getting started guide. It's in plastic, so I'm not gonna open that up right this second. Ooh, and a tracker book. Now, it is all about the tracking, okay? I mean, to have success without tracking, I mean, you kind of got to know what you're doing so you know what to improve on and what works for you. So I actually got to take a look at some of this stuff because it's already online for me, but there's this book, and I know there's going to be an app that comes with it too, so that is awesome. And then, of course, I got my beach bars, but that's not part of it, okay? I just am seriously obsessed with them, which I think I'll have one after I'm done. And then this water bottle, which I know sounds really silly because we all have water bottles, but this one has all her little catchphrases on it. Alana is the lady that came up with this, and it's 30 ounces, so I know that I have to have at least 2 of these a day, if not more. So this is a great way. It's got a little straw and all that good stuff. Now, most of the materials are online, and all the videos are accessible on either Beachbody On Demand, or you don't even have to have Beachbody On Demand. But I've taken a good look at it. I'm partway through it. The videos are like, seriously, like they average like 10 minutes. But this program covers everything you need to know to say goodbye to that weight for once and for all. I really hope you guys join me in this. This is big, big stuff.